We're out here in the middle of Mound House, Nevada. We are going to make sure that the motorhome will make it into Virginia City. And like, I mean, look at this. It's very industrial. It's very, how do I put this without being disparaging? It's full of whorehouses. So it's kind of funny. But who would think in a town full of industry and whorehouses, there'd be a chocolate factory? How do you not check that out? All right, we're at the Chocolate Nugget Candy Factory. And this young man here is killing me because everything he brings me is amazing. Check this out. Oh, I didn't even see the fudge. I really need to hurry. Kevin and the dogs are in the car. But it's all handmade. Look at this. It's all made right here. Right in there. How cool is that? 3 generations. So if you're ever in, where am I again?
Mound House.
Mound House. I'm in Mound House. So if you're in Mound House, Nevada, you got to come in here. I mean, it's totally awesome. Unless you don't like candy. And in that case, you probably don't like puppies either. Okay, I'm taking a video, and every time I turn around, there's just more stuff that I want to get. But I can't. I mean, I could, but and I would eat it all. Look at this. This is cool. Does that say fartless? Oh, fartless bread. I did not see that when I walked around this the first time. Anyway, this place is awesome. The Chocolate Nugget Candy Factory. Bye, guys. Thank you.